This is how to play My Sins Were Higher Than the Mountain When the Lord Sanctified Me. I'm going to show you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing this song to you guys just a little bit so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after. Right? So it says on the key of C sharp, my sins were higher than the mountain when the Lord sanctified me. That's our first part. And then the second part says, singing glory, hallelujah, when the fire came down. Okay, I believe everyone can remember it. So let's break it down. On the key of C sharp, it starts right here. Okay, I'm going to show you the simplest chord progression. On the key of C sharp, it starts right on C sharp major, second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, from here, it comes to this chord. Okay, this is also number 1. It's a C sharp major root chord. From here, it comes here. From here, we go to 2. This is our number 2. I believe everyone can see these chords. This is 2, and it's also known as D sharp minor second inversion. From 2, it goes back to our first chord, which is C sharp major second inversion. From here, we go to 5, G sharp major root chord. From 5, we go to 1, C sharp major first inversion. We're gonna repeat it again. It's 1, 1, 2, 1, second inversion, 5, 1, first inversion. One last time. It's 1, second inversion, 1, root chord, 2, second inversion, and then 1, second inversion, 5, 1, first inversion. Okay, this is what it says. My sins were higher than the mountain when the Lord sanctified me. It's very simple, right? So just on that part, we're gonna introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, which is C sharp major second inversion, on the left you go to 1. Okay, when you play your second chord, which is C sharp major root chord, you stay on number 1 on the left. But when you go to 2 on the right, on the left you go to 4. When you go to 1 on the left, you change, you go to 5. You stay there until you play 5 on the right, and then when you go to 1 first inversion, you change, you go to 1 on the left. It's very simple. Okay, I said it's 1 on the left, 1, 4, 5, 5, 1. All right, so let's go to singing glory. Okay, that part starts right on this chord. It starts right here. Sorry. This is our C sharp major first inversion. C sharp major first inversion. Okay. From 1, it goes to 5. This is our number 5. It's G sharp major second inversion. From 5, it goes to 4. This is F sharp major, and it's a second inversion as well. From 4, we go to 1, C sharp major root chord. Let me repeat it again. I said it. Singing 1, 5, 4, 1. This is what it says. Singing glory, hallelujah, when the fire came down. Okay, so just on that part, we're going to introduce the bass. When you go to 1 on the right, on the left, you go to 1 as well. You stay on number 1 until you play. You are still on number 1. Okay, you didn't change. And then from there, on the right, it goes to 5. Okay, it goes to 5 on the right. This is G sharp major root chord. From 5, it goes to 1. It goes to 1, C sharp major, second inversion. Okay, so when you go to 5 on the right, on the left, you also go to 5. When you go to 1 on the left, you also go to 1. Let's repeat it again for the last time. It's singing 1 on the left, when you go to 5 on the left, you also go to 5. It's 5. From 5, it's 1. And then you repeat the same thing. Singing glory, hallelujah, when the fire came down. And then from here, you no longer you don't go to 5. Okay? You go into 4, 2, 1. 4, 5, 1. Okay, let's break it down. I said it's 4 on the right. 4. This is F sharp major root chord. From F sharp major root chord, you just move a semitone higher. You skip D. You go to D sharp. It gives you number 2, which is also known as D sharp minor, and it's a first inversion. It's a first inversion. Okay, I said it's 4. From 4, it's 2 D sharp minor. From here, you go to C sharp major, second inversion, and then back to 2, 4, 5, second inversion, and then 1, first inversion. Let me do it again for the last time. It's 4, 2, 1. 4, 5, 1. On the left, you're going to play. When you play 4 on the right, on the left, you're going to play 4. You will stay on number 4. When you go to 1 on the right, on the left, you change, you go to 5. And then you stay there until you play. And then you go to 1. Okay? Let's play singing glory, hallelujah. One last time. I said it's singing glory, hallelujah, when the fire came down. From here, you go to 5. When the fire came down, when the 1 fire came down. Repeat the same thing. Singing glory, hallelujah, when the fire came down. From here you go to 4. When 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1. It's very simple, right? So let's start from the beginning and play the whole thing. Okay? It's my sins were higher than the mountain when the Lord sanctified me. Again.